Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Hai Duong AI channel. If you're looking for a tool to create videos from text without showing your face, without using your real voice, and without needing any video editing skills, then this is the video for you.
Yes. Alright, we just watched a short video on the topic of a story. An animated comic story for young children, made for young children. Because this is a video designed for young audiences that we are. And the kids are in the process of learning and developing their language skills. They are very curious and eager to learn. In order to enhance their vocabulary, they can watch clips like this, as these are also lessons, early lessons and fun stories, to help build vocabulary and also life lessons, to help children develop their inner world. Alright, so this is a video that I created. I used a tool called Videogen to produce it in just a few minutes. I was able to make this video. So today, I will guide you those who might be content creators or educators. If you haven't heard of a tool that can help us create videos at a very fast production speed, saving time and effort for us, then today, this video is for you. Let's explore it together, everyone. Yes. And now, first of all, to begin creating this video, we need to access a link. We will open a new tab. Let's open a new tab. First, I will exit this page so I can guide you from the beginning. Now we need to open a new tab and go to the link haiduong.com. Alright, and now that we've reached this step, this window is the Tools interface. Our Tools interface. So if you don't have an account yet, you will need to register an account to try out some basic features of this tool. Click on the Create Account button at the top right corner of the screen, and you can register using your email or a Google account. However, I'll register with my Google account to save time. Yes, with just a couple of clicks, we've completed the account registration on Videogen, and we can start using it to create content. And now, to get started with making videos, you can click on the red Create Video button on the top left of the screen. Yes, so now that we're here, we can see that this is Videogen, and it gives us 3 options. So with the account that you are currently using, like when you register a trial account, Videogen will allow us to create videos using the pre-existing clips from Videogen. But Videogen has a really cool feature that is only available for pro users, those who upgrade. It's the feature that I just used, which is the feature that uses AI tools to automatically generate images to match the content of the script. I highly appreciate this as a fantastic feature of Videogen, because the images Videogen creates are rendered quickly, and the quality is really sharp. You can see the resolution is very clear. So I'll choose the second option here. As for the third option, it's meant for a higher tier package, targeted for those who need more resource access and longer video durations, designed for team use or businesses. After selecting the method to create the video, we also need to choose the transition speed between scenes in the video, and here I will set it to a fixed rate of 15 to 30 words per scene. 15 to 30 words per scene. We also need to choose the aspect ratio. Depending on our publishing purpose, we can choose a vertical frame, a square frame, or a horizontal frame. For today's purpose, I'll choose the horizontal frame to direct the kids to watch on devices like laptops or TVs. We'll then consider the age and audience group, or the purpose of our content upload. We'll visualize who our audience is, what device they use to watch our content. Then we can choose the frame that fits that. For example, if your target audience mostly watches on mobile devices, then choose the vertical frame. But in today's example, I'll go with the third option. Alright, so after setting up the initial options, initially, we'll click the Continue button to move on to the next step, Step 2. And in this Step 2, we need to enter our script. So, let's say I've already prepared a script. This script was created using the tool ChatGPT. So today, with the support of ChatGPT, we can create a script very easily and in a very short time. So I will. So for example, our script is titled The Talking Leaf. So I'll enter it. Enter the title here. Then we will select the language for our video. In this case, we'll set it to English, and we'll choose the video length. For example, I will set the length to around 300 words, which is roughly about 2 minutes. So to 2 for minutes, I'll pick around 300 words. Duration, that's an average length for a video made for kids. Now I will click the arrow button to continue to Step 3. Alright, in Step 3 we see that Videogen has automatically created a script for us. This script was generated by the software tool. However, if we already have a pre-written script that we want to guide according to our desired content that we've carefully prepared, we can replace the script content with the one we've already prepared. So for example, I'll replace it with the content like this here. Then I will select and replace it here. I will delete all the existing content here, and one by one, I'll replace it with the content I've prepared beforehand. If we can add or remove scenes depending on. Alright, once we've finished modifying the script, we will need to select the language, the voiceover for the video, and we need to listen first. Preview the voice to choose one that is expressive and feels the most suitable for the content and the audience. Click here and go. Here I will select this voice, and I will click the button Apply to all scenes to apply the selected voice to all remaining scenes. Alright, so at this step, we need to configure two important elements that are crucial. Then we move on by clicking Generate Video. To proceed to Step 3. Step 4, right, we click Regenerate Video to move to Step 4. Alright, just like that, quickly Videogen has created a demo version of our video. Our video has a duration of 1 minute and 3 seconds. Because our script was a bit short, The content was short. So if we want to extend the video length a bit longer, we need to add more lines, add more script content. And now we can adjust some elements like subtitle styles here to add color, to make it more attractive for the kids. For example, we'll select some colors, like maybe this color here, a bit more colorful and vibrant, to make it more appealing to children. Subtitles so that it won't affect the content of the video. And choose the font size for the subtitles. Increase the font size and set the subtitle position to the bottom of the screen. Alright. Okay, then we can turn it off. Once done setting up, we can close it. We can also add a logo. If we have a logo, we can add it here and set its position on our video screen. If not, then just skip it. We can also change the language of the video in case we want to deliver it to audiences in different regions or countries. And we can also add background music to our video. And keep in mind that for background music, Videogen also provides a music library that we can use. However, if you're publishing on platforms that are monetized, like YouTube or other platforms, you need to pay attention to the copyright issue. To avoid legal issues later, we should choose music that is either provided by the platform itself or created by ourselves to minimize copyright problems. In the future, we can also adjust the images in the video in case we find an image we're not satisfied with. Then we can still ask Videogen to regenerate it. For example, let me give an example. If we need to regenerate this image, this picture, then we click on this download button and Videogen will generate a new image for us. So now that we've finished configuring the technical elements for our video, we will publish the video and click the share button in the top right corner. After clicking this button, Videogen will show a dialog box to publish the video, as we can see on the screen. Here, Videogen gives us 4 options for video quality. To export, to get the best video quality, the highest quality, we should choose 1080p or 4K. Those are videos with very good and high quality. After that, we click Publish Video. And here to save time, I will click and choose 720p to make it faster. Okay. Then we will need to wait for Videogen to process, which may take a few minutes depending on the video quality we selected and the length of the script. So Videogen will require a different amount of time. Usually, with this type of video, it's usually fast about 2 to 3 minutes. For longer videos, at 4K resolution, it will take more time. Alright, that was pretty fast, everyone just under about 1 minute. And then, Videogen has published the video for us. And now you can either download or upload it directly to platforms. Or you can also click the edit button to go back to the previous step. If you feel like you need to make some edits. Alright, so my tutorial ends here. I hope you will practice and then hopefully you'll be able to learn more about this tool, and I hope that today's tool will help you a lot with the challenges you're facing or searching for. Wish you success. See you again in the next videos. And if you find this video useful or meaningful, then please support me so that I can continue making more videos by liking, sharing, and commenting. If you have any questions that need answering, alright, goodbye and see you next time.
If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials from Hai Duong AI.